Okay guys, now this is the acceleration. How do you resolve it along the x-axis, along the y-axis? This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So if you take a look here, if this angle is 30 degree, this angle is 30 degree, this is 60 degree, and this is 30 degree. Because this angle is between normal and tangential, this is 90 degree, correct? And if it is 60, if this portion is 60 degree, 90 minus 60 is 30 degree. So can you resolve this vector, which is now 4.5? Can you resolve into ith and jth component? So it's becoming messy here. So let me resolve the a, b, n vector into ith component and jth component. So you will see it's negative side, the negative 4.5 cosine 30. Do you agree with your professor? This is the I unit vector, and over here is negative 4.5 sine 30. Agreed? Because negative, because it is going downward. Y-axis in the downward is negative. So if you solve for this, you should get negative 2.4 I unit vector, negative 4.85 j unit vector. After you solve for this, then you have found acceleration b. Acceleration b is the sum of acceleration b tangential component and acceleration b normal component. So this is a normal component and this is the tangential component. So you have to add these corresponding components. So if I say this is the corresponding component, so I would say AB from A. By the way, this AB from A, it is negative 2.4 I unit vector, negative 4.85 j unit vector. Probably you have to do the math here. I did not, this is not the one. This you have to add the tangential and normal components. This is you have to solve at home. What are these values? But in the end you will get this answer for the acceleration b, and a b from A would be this vector AB vector minus A sub A vector. Agreed? And what is AB vector? This is the one which is, so let me write down minus 2.4 I unit vector minus 4.85 j unit vector. And what is A sub A? A sub A is given here in our data. Look, this is problem data. It says A sub A is 4 meters per second in the positive y direction. So I can write down minus 4j, and if you solve for this, you should get your answer. So let me write down the magnitude formula is for the orthogonal coordinates. This is the magnitude formula, the ith component square, I would say jth component. If you solve for this, you should get 9.17 meter per second square, and the angle, I would say angle is, by the way, this is 8.85, correct, and this is minus 2.4. and if you solve for this, this is negative side, this is positive side, so this is also negative side, correct? So it's a negative side here, so the angle is here theta. This is negative 2.4, this is negative 8.85, so angle theta equals to tangent inverse negative 8.85 divided by negative 2.4. So if you solve for this, so what do you guys get? So let me show you. Arc tangent 8.85 divided by 2.4. I got 74.8 degrees for this angle. This is your answer.